We saw beeswax in sheets, but it can be melted. If the beeswax is heated, it becomes a liquid. These candles are being made with liquid beeswax. The liquid beeswax is poured over the wick. And gradually the candles grow. When the candle's finished, the candle maker makes a point on the end of it. Well, not all candles are made from beeswax. Some are made from liquid paraffin wax. The wax can be coloured. This is a special ladle that is used by candle makers for ladling hot wax. The liquid wax is then poured into a candle making machine. You remember, we not only need wax to make candles, we also need wick. And these are the wicks. These boxes are put on top of the machine. You see they have holes in them. When the candle wax is set, the candles are wound up into these boxes. And there they are, the spiral candles. The candle maker uses this knife to cut through the wicks.